Hey guys, okay, so I found the sign that explains about the fairies. I knew there was something. I don't know if you'll hear me well. You go that far away. So it says the legend passed on by the folk mentions silver hair of the fairies of Rastoke that would steal the horses of the tired millers and travelers and rode them all night long. The exhausted horses will be returned to the paddock in the morning with braided manes. While the locals would run around in astonishment, the frivolous fairies would wash the laundry on the waterfalls and laugh loudly and dance. That is the story. And they said that the fairies had silver hair, and that kind of matched up with this water that comes down on the falls, like strands of silver hair. Look at the little ducky family. Oh. Come on, guys. Come into focus for me.
What's so interesting is that one?
Oh, don't hide behind the rushes. Come out, come out. So guys, we found the trail to the waterfall, so we're gonna go down there now and check it out.
Laundry.
Say it again?
That's how they did laundry. Big barrel with holes in it at the bottom of a waterfall. That's pretty clever.
Yeah. I know my battery's gonna die while I'm out here, so expect some footage from my cell phone and maybe Eric's too. It's rain. How many are there? 7. Cell phone. let's go down and see what's what. Oh, cool. How awesome is this? So guys, it's gotten quiet in here. We're further away from the waterfalls. It's kind of in a little nook in the rock. So I'll tell you, there's like some stalactite or stalagmite type things growing here. You can see, I think that's mineral deposits. And we are back here like in a crevice in between the rocks. Super cool. Oh, okay, I've got to hold on. Ooh, these stairs are wicked. Yeah. Oh wow, this is amazing. It's so beautiful. But I am cool. I'm creeping along, guys, because I have on flip-flops and these steps are like for real wood planks of wood nailed together. What am I looking at?
Upside down.
Where is he? Oh, crazy. An upside down spider. Whew. So there's some folks behind us on the steps. So you kind of get an idea of what the steps are like. And this is like legit a cave. At the bottom of the fall. There's a little pool down here. I guess if anybody cared to, they'd slip off there and swim. What is it? Oh, cool. Daddy's got his flashlight on. I'm not gonna see any bats, am I? Okay. Joshua, let's go forward because there's people behind us. Super cool. Wow. This is where we have emerged. This is so awesome!
This feels like Oregon. Right here, this is like so.
Can I hold you? Thank you.
Part of Oregon.
This is super cool.
Waterfalls.
Wow, this is beautiful. I'm super concerned about my hair, but you know, oh well. So that's the cave we just came out of. There's the river. Wow. This is what natural girls do when they get in a deep river valley and they've just done their hair. I'm glad we came down here anyway. It was worth it. Hello guys. So I am happy to report that my hair there, survived. We were down in the river valley. We hiked down into there, as you probably have just seen, or else we'll see in a minute. And I was afraid this twist and curl, which I just did this morning, was not going to survive. But as you can see, my curls endured. They even got some juicy life. Eric told me at one point, yeah, it's getting bigger, it's inflating. So I was like, time to put the hood on. And these were the ones that were kind of busted this morning already. But guys, look at these grounds. Look behind me. You see? It's just beautiful. Wait, there's something really cute to show you right here. Where is it? Where is it? Ah, there it is. There they are. So I got the story on the fairies finally. I got the deal on the fairies. So apparently they lived down where we were, down in their lair, under the waterfalls. And they would come up at night and dance and frolic here, all in the meadows and stuff like that. Like that. Frolic. Like that. They would frolic about in the meadows. And they would come and steal the horses and ride them at night and braid their manes and all of that good stuff. And then go back down to their little lair in the evening. Or I'm sorry, in the morning when the villagers would come out. So that's the story with the fairies. Okay guys, I'm super glad that we did this. It was awesome. Score one for the Rogers family. We were very clever. To come to this place was a really good idea. And I'm really proud of us. Look at those two guys. Hey guys! They can't hear me. Anyway, this was a really good idea. I'm super happy that we did it. I would not trade it. This was the place that I have been really looking forward to coming to. And I'm so glad we did because, oh, it's just beautiful. It's just beautiful. Oh, shoot. You can see my earrings right now. All right, y'all, my arm is getting tired. So I'm going to let you go. I'll talk to you later. Bye.